All right, hello everyone, and peace of Christ to all of you.
Bill is the instrument of shaitan. But do you know that Muhammad, he received Quran in the sound of a bell?
Check.
I mean, have you ever heard of a stupid cult more than this? But I will tell you, brother, Prophet Muhammad was the first brother who discovered this way of communication, brother. Bravo. Okay, what? How the sound of a bell became Arabic? Muhammad, he used to receive his inspiration from his God. How he used to receive it? The hadith explained to us. This is Sahih al-Bukhari, and the hadith says, narrated Aisha, and you cannot say this is weak, remember, because I know you Muslims, you say it's weak. Anything you don't like, you say it's weak. And by the way, even weak is accepted. Aisha reported that Ibn Hisham, Al-Harith ibn Hisham, asked the Prophet, the false prophet, how does the divine inspirations come to you? Very good question. How it come to you, Muhammad? People want to know. Muhammad, he received inspiration from Allah. Okay, how you receive the inspiration? Prophet of Allah. Prophet of Allah, he answered, and he told them how he received the inspiration in a very unique way, brother. Simply, the first one who discovered this way of inspiration receiving is the Prophet Muhammad. He received it as a sound of a bell. He replied, in all these ways, the angels sometimes come to me with the voice of resembling the sound of a ringing bell. What? Ringing bell? Muhammad received Quran as a sound of a ringing bell. Go and see the symptoms of those who have mental disorder. They have the same symptoms. They hear sound of a bell in their head. They hear voices. So now Muhammad claiming that God, he speak to him through his angel, and the way he speak to him is a sound of a bell. Is that Bill Clinton? And then if Allah, he gave Muhammad a sound of a bell, and I want the Muslims to focus here. Did I say focus? It's impossible. A Muslim and he will focus, keep it dreaming. Okay, I just said for you the chapter of Al-Fatiha. I want a Muslim to tell me how the angel gave him a sound of a bell, and then the sound of the bell became Arabic Quran. Let me give you a chapter of Al-Ahzab. Yeah, it's long. It makes sense. Al-Ahzab is a very long chapter, so it makes sense. How this became Arabic? How the guy, he got a sound of a bell, and then the sound of the bell became Arabic. This is the chapter of Shuku Shuku. What? How this became Quran? I mean, obviously your prophet is mentally ill. Hearing sounded of a ring need explanation, because if you receive a ring of a bell, then how this became Quran? Any Muslim? You know, guys, to be honest with you, sometimes I receive inspiration from Allah like this. This was Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This one. And this was a shahada. And then I receive even more, you know. What? Here, notice here, the dum 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 dum. This is when the angel was squeezing Muhammad. So what is this? And sometimes the angel, he come to me in the shape of a man. Okay, so he give you a sound of a bell, and then and this is, he said, this is the hardest on me, the sound of the bell. But hold on, isn't it you, Muhammad, who said that the bell is the instrument of shaitan? Isn't it Muhammad who said that? That the instrument of shaitan is the bell? How the shaitan and Allah, they use the same instrument? Actually, even Muhammad, he said, الملائكة لا تدخل بيت or بيتا فيه جرس. Angels will never enter a house if there is a small bell in it. Look at the weakness, the phobia. Angels, they hate the bell because this is the Christian, they have a bell. You see how much Muhammad, he hate the Christians? Angels cannot enter a house, have a bell. Angels will not accompany a person who have a bell or a dog with him. So obviously the bell cannot be something that angels will use. As you see, they have a phobia from the bell. So how they have a phobia from the bell, and the phobia and the bell is the musical instrument of shaitan. Yet when the angels come to Muhammad, he gave him a sound of a bell. Obviously, Muhammad, he have mental illness. It's so clear. And if you search the symptoms of mental illness illusion, you will see that they hear sounds, and they hear voices, and they hear a sound of a bell specifically. What do you think? All those hadith. All are sahih. Jibreel.